Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video we are going to learn how to use image resizing for LinkedIn banner in GetStencil. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to getstencil.com. Now log into your account. Click on create new design or open a blank canvas. Choose the custom size and enter the dimension for LinkedIn banner. Go to create custom size and type in the name for the size. Add your name, job title, company name, or other information using the text tool here. Make sure the text is centered and clearly visible against the background. You may want to choose contrasting your color or apply a suitable shadow to the text for readability. Once you are happy with the design, review the layout to ensure the text and visuals are properly aligned and readable. Adjust any element as needed to ensure everything fits well on the LinkedIn banner. When you are satisfied with the banner, click on Save to store your work and click Download to export a banner in PNG or JPG format. By resizing and optimizing your LinkedIn banner with GetStencil, you can ensure your profile looks professional and is perfectly suited to LinkedIn dimensions. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.